Hello, my name is Hugh Beasley, and I want to welcome you to our new office here in Marietta, Georgia. We've lived here in Marietta, Georgia, East Cobb County for over 30 years, raised our family here, very familiar with the area, and we buy houses here in Cobb County, specializing in East Cobb, Marietta, and Kennesaw. So our website out there is Hugh and Melodie Buys Houses. That's H-U-G-H and Melodie, M-E-L-O-D-I-E, buyshouses.com. We do not charge any commissions. In fact, we can save you the real estate commission, which could be like $21,000 on a $300,000 home. So it's quite a savings that we can save you the real estate commission. Like I said, we're not real estate agents, but we're very knowledgeable in the real estate field for many years. And if you sell to us, we can save you the real estate commission. We charge no commission. We give free consultation. Try to get the seller as much as we can and still be interested in the property ourselves. So if you want to go out to our site at Hugh and Melodie Buys Houses, that's H-U-G-H and Melodie, M-E-L-O-D-I-E, buyshouses.com. Enter in for a little information about what we can do to help you, and we'd be glad to see what we can do for you to help you out. We're here to serve and look forward to seeing you. God bless. Bye.